In this video, you will learn how to create a lookalike audience in Google Ads. Creating a lookalike audience in Google Ads is a great way to target new users who resemble your existing audience. Here are the simple steps. First, log into your Google Ads account with your credentials. Now, set up a lookalike audience. This can be based on website visitors, YouTube viewers, or customer lists. You can also have audience source in place. Go to the audience manager. In the Google Ads, click on the tools and settings menu under the shared library, then click audience manager. In there, you can add an audience manager and go to similar audiences. Google Ads will automatically generate a similar audience based on your audience list. Now, create a new campaign or edit an existing campaign, then choose the campaign type, such as display, video, or search. During the campaign setup, go to the audience section, select browse, select actively searching for, and then click similar audiences. Choosing the similar audience. After targeting the similar audience, launch your campaign. Monitor your campaign performance and adjust as needed. By following these steps, you can create a lookalike audience in Google Ads. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.